Hello everyone. Welcome to everyone. Welcome before we jump into specific programming languages. Let's start with the basics. What is programming? Programming is the process of giving instructions to computer so it can perform tasks like solving problems, running applications, processing entire systems. And types of programming languages. There are three or four types of programming languages. Low level language, very close to mission code. Into mission instruction 01. Example C. High level languages. It is easy to read and write closer to human language. Example Python Java. Okay, understand. Next one, interpreter language. Code is line by it checks line by line. Flexible and beginner friendly language. Python, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP. Hybrid languages. Use both compiling and interpreting languages. Java, Kotlin, and Swift language. Programming languages in 10 programming languages I'm suggesting for this. First, top 10. Kotlin. This is high level language, compiled language, statically typed, and similar to a Java language, Java virtual machine based. How it works. Compile to Java virtual machine, bytecode, and works similar to with Java. Real world uses. Official and development language, apps like Twitter, Pinterest, Trello, and backend services. Top 9. Go. Go means Golang. Type. Compiled statically typed. Designed by Google. How it works. Compiled language quickly. Supports concurrency. Great for cloud systems. Real world uses of Go language. Google, Kubernetes backend, Docker, and Kubernetes, and cloud systems also. Eighth one is the Rust. Rust programming language. Compile systems program. Compile language. It's especially typing is memory safe. Developed by Apple. Habit works as fast after C, C++ and but safer. Real world uses Firefox browser, blockchain systems, system level tools, and memory management, especially for many. Top 7. Ruby is the top 7 programming languages uses of the IT industry. High level language, interpreted, it checks line by line. Object oriented programming, scripting language, how it will works. Focus on simplicity and readability, executes code line by line with a focus on readability. Okay. 6 is PHP, hypertext preprocessor. It's especially uses for a high-level interpreted language, scripting language, how it will works. Runs on the server to build web pages dynamical. Real-world uses. WordPress, Wikipedia, similar to Medium web apps. Is most important user of a whole IT industry. C++ is type compiled language, object-oriented programming. It supports pointers, languages, plus procedure-oriented programming language. How it works. Extend C with classes, object-oriented concept translates into machine code with hook features. There are memory system, operating systems, Windows, Linux, and so on. Number 4 is the C language, middle level language, compiled language, procedural oriented programming language. How it will works. Directly compiles into machine code very fast. Real world is operating systems, Windows, Linux, memory systems, and compilers. JavaScript. Third one is the JavaScript of the most used of every programming language. High level language, interpreted language, scripted language, especially for web applications. How it will work. Run it to inside browsers on servers with Node.js support. Real world is websites, Facebook, Twitter, service servers, and API. Mobile apps like React Native. Number two is the most used of the IT industry. 35% of the learners will learn this programming language, Java. Java programming language. High-level language compiled plus interpreted via Java virtual machine, object-oriented concept like methods, exception handling, and more. How it works. Code is compiled into bytecode, Java virtual machine. Real-world use. Android apps like Spotify, WhatsApp, banking systems, Netflix backend, and so on. Is the Python type high-level interpreted dynamically, speed, object-oriented. How it works. Runs line by line. Recognizes interpreted, checks line by line. Real world usages, data science and AI, web apps, Instagram, YouTube, backend services, and automation like recommendation of a video and new video, and suggestion of the likes, shares, and store the database, and connected via suggesting the good suggestions for a audience. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.